If you want to play like I did over here, there are very clear instructions on how to attach the circular embroidery attachment to your machine. I quilted the piece that I wanted to work on previously and made a little mark where I wanted the center of the circle to be. I centered that mark on the very sharp pin and put the silicone pin cover back. When you do circular embroidery on a single layer of fabric, you have to put stabilizer behind, or the decorative stitches might pull a bit. In my case, I didn't use stabilizer as my work was firm and stable enough. It is a quilt with backing, batting, and a sheet of synthetic felt plus organza on top. I chose decorative stitch number 401 and started. I used the button on my machine that completes the stitch that it's busy with at the end of my circle, and my circle is complete. I chose 2 different decorative stitches from the decorative stitch menu, stitch number 401 and stitch number 422. I also used the automatic stop-start button and I lowered the speed. You can adjust the length and the width of your stitches, but I didn't make any adjustments. I also chose stitch number 6, the triple stitch, and stitch number 8 from the normal stitch menu. Afterwards, I used a soldering iron to burn holes around the edge. It was such a fun piece that was really quick and looks very decorative.